Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer CapCut projects from mobile to PC. So the first step you need to do is to open your mobile. So here is my mobile and you simply need to open the CapCut and make sure you let me remove this, continue to app, click on me and make sure you have the same profile open on your smartphone and on your PC. So here you can see the same profile, and then you need to click on library, and here is my space. So select that, click on this cloud icon on the top right, and here you can see space members, and you simply need to click on invite link and copy link, go back and share that link on WhatsApp on your PC like this. Okay, and you need to click here join space, and now you are in your PC. You need to log in into your account here. So I am going to continue with this account. Select your account and click on continue. Wait for few seconds here. Here you can see it is now opening, and now you can see that I have all projects here open. You can see that same like in my smartphone. Let me show you. So let me open CapCut here. Here you can see. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.